This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot pre-season promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, it is April 3rd, 2019. I gotta go run a couple of combustion tests on two gas furnaces. They've been in there. I don't know who installed these systems, but they're not really installed the greatest. The ductwork and stuff is really inadequate. Things are way oversized for the space, but I'm just gonna go do a combustion test, make sure that they're safe. The CO is not crazy high, and it's like for the state. They're gonna do it yearly, I guess. I'll go over there and try to get some shots. Got the moose sweater on today. Oh yeah, you're looking very stylish. You're looking very stylish. I have done a combustion test on this one in the past. 14. So it's been a few years. We're gonna run it, check the combustion on it. There's 2 units here. I'm gonna check. So we will check it. Put a printed tag here and take the information. It's for the state. I'm supposed to do it every year. See if to start up my meter down here. 0. We'll start up my meter and then we'll check it. Just want to make sure there's no high CO levels, you know. Probably jump the unit out right down here. We'll see what it's doing. Time I was here, it was ppms were 5. The flame sensor was just cleaned not that long ago, but I will check it. It's right here. It's easy to get to. It looks pretty clean, but I'll just hit it quick and put it back in. It'll be fine. Another one over here I gotta do. Clean flame sensor. I did that last year. I did put a supply and return, an extra supply and return on this one. I cut an extra return in the bottom here because it didn't have enough return. It kept going off on high limit. And I put a supply right here. Dump some heat down here for this area. Kept going off on high limit, oversized. Oxygen is a little high there. Really concerned about the ppms there. See the ppms? That's really my main concern, is that. the same as the other one was. The oxygen's 13.6. That's what we are here. CO2's at 4. CO2's at 4 on the other one. This one's running a little higher stack temp. I said it's way oversized. But, yeehaw. We'll probably clean the flame sensor on this one too. Take the flame sensor apart and clean it. So I did a combustion test. Flame sensor. They're pretty close, both the same. The two York. The two piles, the two pieces of York. There's the front unit. This is the front unit here. And there's the rear unit. As long as they're safe to run, as long as the PPMs aren't going crazy, I will check them on the way out. My little personal meter, make sure there's nothing upstairs, but it should be fine. You see this system's what a hack job they put in this. What a hack job on this one. It's a York, couple of way oversized for the space. I did cut this return in, and I did cut a supply. In, dump some of the heat down in the basement down here, so it don't keep going off on high limit. Way oversized, but he bought it like this with these units in here.